Yeah. Okay, let's go put him in the stream.
G'day. On today's video, we're going to be doing the release of the giant barred frog, or barred frog, from our Myrmecia property. About a year ago, I swept up a tadpole to only one survived. Turns out that they're these guys. Recently, I found out that they are, I think, endangered or critically endangered or something along those lines, which isn't great. So I think I might actually do something along the lines of conservation for these guys. I'll have a look into it a bit more. I'll get more educated on these frogs. But absolutely amazing frog. Patterns on the legs. You can actually get like. I did actually find one that was pretty yellowish, which was pretty cool. But I did go and release this guy or girl, I don't know, I haven't sexed them, into the creek where I found the tadpoles at our property at Myrmecia, obviously. And I look around, there's a lot of them there. There's no cane toads that I can see, so thank God. But other than that, pretty good, went well. And then onto the walking track. So we have many walking tracks all up to the property, because we're kind of down like a gorge or a valley kind of thing. So for the walking track, like I said, they go up all to the land and that. For this video, I'm just gonna say like what I'm gonna say right now, and then I'll let you guys enjoy the video because it's a nice walk. It's one of the closer ones to the cabins, and it's with my brother, Kalen, so it's pretty good. So enjoy the video, rest of the video. I'll let it be a bit of a chill one. Thank you for watching the release of the barred frog, and I'll have a lot more coming soon. Sorry, there's glare on my glasses. I'm gonna start doing things a lot better.
Yeah, I remember
so,
this.
Fingers crossed. Also, I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy this one, and I have a bunch of other stuff that I have got planned, so just bear with me. I'm trying. Alright, enjoy. Bye.
Yeah, this is where it gets really cool. This is where they were riding through. Imagine riding a bike through here.
It is interesting from front of me.
Get the sun. The aim's down, so. Yeah, the Abbey holes. The funnel webs get bigger up this way too. It's not so much Abbey hole. Yeah, you'll start seeing with webs in them soon. And like all these little like sticks put around it like an art form. Pretty big. Oh, look up in here. Look at that. That's cool. That's a nice little pocket of rock there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Pocket rocks. Yeah, I'll just show you some of these funnel webs. They're like almost the same fucking size. Also, that's a cool little stump there. It's like that place on Star Wars. There's a bird's nest there. Yeah, or like in 100 years, that'll be parrot homes. Remember that whole effort out?
Oh yeah. And
they only live in them. So when they knock them down, it's like 100 years of fucking tree growth that's gone.
Hey, it's very photogenic.
He's in the gap. Yo, look at this. Look at this drop-off pit. You just imagine the force of the water coming through when it's like flooding. Just pushing everything through. Yeah. Yeah, they're falling down around the corner, yeah. I don't like that. I don't like that sound at all. That usually means we're gonna die. Will I get it on camera? Yeah. Well, get ready to run. Big ol' hole.
Got the right angle on this with some good lighting.
Yeah. Oh, 100%.
Maybe you stood like back there and had like a zoom in of the log with that in the background.
Yeah.
Like a really low.
What if my GoPro recorded the noise of that tree? Yeah, that's like a new Gabby hole just did.
There might be something. Look at that there.
Yeah. Holy shit, don't go down that.
Nah, that looks crazy. What are you doing up there?
Oh, look under there. The crack with the gap. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Back it up there, back it up.
Alright, it's these seeds.
Oh yeah. Look at this.
Well, hang on. Someone's been eating these.
What's up there? I had no idea. Probably the
Someone's been eating it.
yeah, probably the bandicoots and stuff. Possums and
No, wait. How did you even get up there?
yeah.
I have no idea how the fuck you can make that. Careful.
Well,
Oh my god.
holy I should have got that on camera, Jesus Christ.
You wanna do the full loop?
Oh, my bag's back there, I can go get it. Is there a full loop?
Yeah, this path will go up to something where we came
Oh.
from.
Oh, it's a dead toad. Oh, these are like little pockets and stuff.
Pretty cool, like,
The rock in the tree.
there's a bunch of dirt that's all over.
Well, I'll go back and get my bag and come with you.
Alright, we'll see if we can hold it.
Yeah. Or I could have been jumping over all the rocks there, it's cool. Doesn't do that.
Beautiful. This is out.
Yeah.
It's a bit like little camping.
Oh, I'm staghorns. Yeah, they're the pups I put in my yard.
It's beautiful tree.
Yeah, massive, eh? Should put marking series on. Dogs can do it. I only have one hand. I got my hook today. So. More fatter. What'd you call me? Fucking bear's nest fan's falling out. Oh. Nala, give me a hand. Oh. You okay? Holy fuck. Look at the trees. Woo, woo. There's a rope. Where's that bamboo? No. Okay. Vine. Come on, everybody. This climb's fun. That's terrifying to bike. Look at that steepness. Whose idea was this? Me and Dad went through here with a car and the whole toolbox was flying.
I think some nuts.
I love all these ferns. I've only gotten a few to take off at my house because you gotta like put a bunch of them together. Otherwise they dry up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm slowly creating a little rainforesty spot. Stays rather moist.
It's like my favourite part about it.
Should have put that in the way so that I could jump over it.
Like it's off his edge here.
Oh,
Go to your right.
oh here. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
He went straight up into there.
How the fuck?
We ran over to help her. What the fuck?
How do you manage that?
Oh, when the,
I mean, they've got padded gear on. Like you could probably land
but
in
the
there.
fence is here.
Oh.
This is all they had to drive on.
Oh, right. Oh, they couldn't go on this bit.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, because I want to ruin the maps, I guess.
Well, not that they can't run on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, about. Brrr.
I think they'd probably rather run the map than go in the hole.
Fuck, look at them, like grazing like cows now. They got them back.
Hey, mate.
Oh yes, we're home. See how the ferns just look nice and like that post there and that?
Yeah.
I want to like do that in my backyard. My fake rock that I made at the back where my compost pile is with the goats, it's got so much moss growing all over it now.
Well, that's some mushrooms.
It looks so cool. Yeah.
They ran Rainforest for the week.